let's look how this roofing company is not properly able to gain the trust of a homeowner. So first of all, it's really great for screen, but the tagline could have been more broader, could have been more specific about something that can build trust. The links are not proper. It's really cluttered links. It should be proper. Like all this should have been mentioned in services section, services drop down, drop down. If I see the call now button, I can see the whole number. It's really short. And if I'm checking the website in my laptop, in my PC, then I'm going to just pick up my phone and go. If I'm not able to see the number, then it's really inconvenient for me. When I scroll down, they have probably mentioned barriers. They have probably mentioned about the section with an image missing. It's really important for you to add an image next to the about a section, or an image of you, an image of your team, or an image of your password. That's what builds trust. There are proper cards, really great. If I scroll down, the website is not properly responsive. Like it's not made for PCs. It's maybe probably made for just mobiles. So yeah, right. It's made for mobiles. And yeah, this section is really great. It's caught my attention. If I want to check my roof on how it looks with different colors, then I can check, but it's not a long check. So just make sure that each and every component, each and every element of your website is working properly. If I scroll down, then just look at this. It's not responsive. Every image is attached to each other. It's just so broad. It's really inconvenient for me to see OE. So there are being reason to trust. That's really good. They should mention this at the top. That's what could have get a user's, a homeowner's attention. This section is great. Again, the images are really compact. Look at this section. Ensure the website is really not working. So it's really important for you to manage your site. If you are making the site yourself, then keep a proper check every month. Because if you're buying a domain, if you're investing your time in creating a social, in creating an online presence for you, then you should just really maintain it well. They have proper testimonial, they have proper proof of work, but what is lacking is a proper design. It's really important. Proper design. You should keep your design in check. You should keep everything in check in order to get more leads, in order to get calls. Just look at this. I'm blown away by this. Or if they would have mentioned all of this, like 10% of it in the NABA, this would have been great, like about projects, model logs. Testimonial section is not necessary in the NABA. Some FAQs, some carriers, a home button. That's what like makes a user experience really convenient. It's really important for you to keep your website in check. If you're making your website yourself, then make sure it works in mobile as well as in PCs really well.